Man, YouTube, I swear to God, I hate fucking springs, man. It wouldn't have been this bad if I ain't had these goddamn lift cups on this jank. Finally got that bitch of out of there. This is my cup. That was sitting underneath the spring. Now I gotta get the lower ball joint off so I can pull this whole spindle off. Then I'm gonna pull both of these control arms off. And shit, man, start cleaning up this frame. Move to the other side. Still been battling all this goddamn rain. Today it was supposed to rain, so I ain't even planning on doing this shit. It feel good out this jank now. Actually, it's hot as fuck, man. I had to set up a tent. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna keep working. It's too hot to be running this camera, so I'll just be hopping in and out with updates. Alright, YouTube. We all the way up out of that jank on the driver's side. Spindle and shit. The spring. Upper control on. Lower control on. Whole lot of nasty shit. Oh. It is Saturday, man. It's hot as hell about this jank. I'm gonna go ahead and keep moving on. Probably about another hour or two, man. And I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna go enjoy my day. Know what I'm saying? Might fire up the grill. And come back and hit that other side tomorrow. And then start sanding out this frame. Yeah. It's go time though. Alright, we back at it. Another hot one out this jank today. 91 degrees. Shit been whipping my ass. This tent becoming clutch. I see I done finished the frame up. Well, actually, I ain't even finished this shit neither. I still got a lot of shit to do. But I got everything completely covered in primer. All the way back now. All of my suspension parts, man, all of this shit is already free. I try to leave it all intact, so when I put the new shit together, I'm gonna use all this shit as a reference. All that shit is off, man. That shit just been held up by the tie rod itself. And this shit, man, this steering gearbox. I've been doing some research about this. I'm just gonna go ahead and probably order a new one. Like, I ain't want to take it off yet, cause I ain't know what I really was gonna do with it. And to be honest with you, I ain't even have a Pitman arm puller or a fucking socket big enough to fit on this fucking nut, man. You needed a 1 5/16. I had to Amazon that shit. So I went in like 3 different stores looking for it. Couldn't find it. But that's what you want. Then I needed the Pitman arm puller. Go ahead and drop it. And I already even got damn bolts out. I need to sand all of this shit down and prime over that. And I got the prime over, sand down and prime over where I'm gonna take this gearbox off at. And then I'm gonna go ahead and shoot all of this shit with my final top coat. I'm gonna call it a day. Start putting all my shit back on. I went ahead and ordered new control arms. I got my coilovers for the front. I got all my suspension parts. I got a new idle arm, center link tie rods, Pitman arm just came in today. Sway bar end links. Only thing I'm still waiting on to come in is my lower control arms. But that ain't stopping me from bolting everything else up. I'll go ahead and put my rear end back. Ready to start running these brake lines and go ahead and snatch these fucking fuel lines the rest of the way out. It's really just that front part right over there. That shit won't in my way or nothing, but I think it's bolted. It's like something holding that bitch in, and I can't really see. I don't know what the fuck it is, but something holding that shit. Yeah. But I also need to do this fucking firewall too, so I ordered some more paint for that, and I ordered a heating core. So I'm gonna change all of that, man. This will be an AC car. Just told y'all it's 91 degrees out here, shipping kicking my ass. I'd be goddamn, I rebuild this car with no AC. Yeah, man, I've been working, man. All of this shit took a few days, really damn near like 2 weekends from me. So that's why I told you it kind of be a while in between some of my videos, man. Just know if I ain't uploading, man, I'm working. I'm always moving on this jank. Rather it's just research, ordering parts, or whatever. Oh, and I rebuilt my cart. Look at my cart, y'all. I got tired of rolling around this little piece of shit wagon. Tires was flat. One of them janks had big ass holes in it. I done damn near built this whole fucking car with Harbor Freight tools. Y'all be sleeping on Harbor Freight, man, but that shit be coming in clutch. I went up there and picked up this Pitman arm puller. I'm about to see if that shit'll work, so I can get that jank off. Got this goddamn pickle fork to bust them ball janks and shit. Both of these janks together was like $15, bro. Like, stop tripping. Goddamn. Oh yeah, man. I done put a bunch of stickers all over my cart, my wagon, whatever you want to call it. Some new tires, some paint. I clear coated over it. Still got to give me a handle though. But hey, I ain't rolling around a little piece of shit no more. Know what I'm saying? Y'all read some of that. Please, will you back your ass up, man? It's a little dirty ass. Yeah. This my first ever, like, little sticker bomb type shit. I'm sorry I got all my tools and stuff in the way, but there's everything I need to go and start my job. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. Either way, I like that jank, man. Oh, man. It's dark as shit in here. And it's a mess. So, yeah, I might put all my shit on. See, I ain't go with the QA1 fucking control arms, man. I went ahead with the Moog, the factory janks. But I am going to change out the ball janks. I got QA1 ball janks I'm putting in. There they go right here, matter of fact. This is the passenger side. Look at what I took off, man. That shit was, probably could have been cleaned up, but I won't bother to do it. Fuck them shits. These bitches trash. But I'm gonna hang on to them though. I had to make sure everything matched. So I've been ordering too much shit for real. So I done already kind of scuffed it up a little bit. I don't know if these janks already came powder coated. I doubt it, but I'm gonna go ahead and still shoot it with another top coat. Here your ass come again. You just always know when I'm down, man. Yeah, motor mounts about to do the same thing. I'm thinking about going ahead, man, and try to get an oven up in here. That's really the only thing that's stopping me. with going ahead and doing my own powder coating. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm about to look into that next. Oh, what else I got, man? Oh yeah, this is my Pitman on. Came in today. I gotta make sure that these splines match that gearbox. Try to make sure it match the old one and my new one, whichever one I decide to order. That's the part number and stuff that I got. Pitman on, 88 Caprice. And I got brake proportional valve. It's four-way disc brakes. So that's the part number. Hold on. Part number on that shit. Well, I've been ordering a lot of shit from Summit. Summit all over. I've been all over the place, man. Summit and Eastwood, man. And Harbor Freight tools. Like, been getting me through. I'm gonna start mounting my shit, man. Start mounting my shit. I gotta order new rotors. Ain't got them yet. New studs. Wheel bearings. Whole 9 yards. Seals. I took one of them off. I just got to clean it up. It's my bucket of shit I got to clean up. Besides that spring ain't gonna be cleaned up. Yeah. Y'all know how it be, man. It be hot as hell. Shit won't even hard to get off though. In case y'all don't know. I ain't really do no how-to because there's 1,000 of them out there, but it was simple. Get that gearbox off, it's just these 3 bolts. And then the steering shaft, which I done already took this screw out and started pushing this back some. Like I said, I was planning on dropping the whole gearbox and the Pitman arm together. Like not even taking that apart. And for real, that still might be my plan, but I can tell I don't know what the fuck to do. I'm just doing it. I still gotta get up here, this core support, take this bullshit radiator out, throw that shit in the trash. But yeah, the frame is clean though. And the underbody. Excuse my mess. I just be sliding shit up under this car. But alright, let me stop bullshitting with y'all and get to work. Boom, on the money. That shit is right on the fucking money. Yeah. I was about to tell y'all if this shit ain't work, I was gonna stay the fuck up out of Harbor Freight. But look like that ain't happening. Woo-wee. That shit just fell up out of there. Yeah. Okay, she piece. I do all my proper measurements. Yeah. Look at that old piece of shit laying out there. Yeah, now we good. Yeah, now we good. So this shit, take this steering shaft out. Just that one bolt. Put this together. And there's another bolt right up there. Pull that shaft out. And pull this out. I'm trying to pry back on this shit some, but I don't know if that's as far as I got with it or not, but I ain't trying to damage this shaft neither. Other than it being dirty, don't look that bad. But it is a wear part though, these do wear. Trying to find another one, I couldn't find another one neither. I've been seeing some people been using the Jeep janks, but y'all know which model Jeep for sure, man. Or what could help me put a new steering shaft up in this jank. Let me know. And let me know what gearbox y'all running up in y'all janks too, man. If anybody replace these. I'm gonna go ahead and try to snatch this jank up out of here. Alright, YouTube. I got that motherfucker up out of there. Pull that steering shaft back some more. This shit also got like little teeth and grooves. Flat part. So we had to line that back up. Whenever I put the new one in. Then once I got it off, I immediately started grinding. All that down to bare metal. Or at least the best I'm gonna get it. I ain't even wipe it down yet. But it's about as good as it's gonna get. So I got some rust encapsulator and shit I'm gonna shoot over it anyway. I'm gonna prime it. Yeah, it is what it is. I got all of it sprayed. Went ahead and scuffed the whole frame down again with some Scotch-Brite, front to back. And I sprayed it all. Still wet. I'm about to pack up my shit. Let this shit sit here and dry overnight. I'll come back and check on it in the morning. But probably when I get off, I gotta go to work early in the morning. So when I get off, I'll see what it look like. I wanna put a matte clear on top of this too. This like a satin. I don't really give a fuck for that satin. You can't really tell anyway, cause it's a little dark out here. Damn, man, stay the fuck away from my shit, buddy. All right, let me pack this up, put his ass in the house. Catch y'all tomorrow. All right, YouTube, it's getting dark on me. But I'm finished this goddamn frame, man. See, everything got some dust on it right now because I've been sanding this firewall. Trying to clean all of this up. About to go ahead and pull this wiper motor off and start disconnecting all of this shit so I can finish sanding everything down. I've been using some 180 for all of this. Nice and smooth. Yeah. I got a lot of shit to scrape up. Like little shit like this. Shit like that, but for the most part, man, I ain't building no goddamn showroom car. So I'm gonna sand a lot of this shit down, get all that bullshit that I can out of the way, and go ahead and paint this jank, man. That's where we at. Probably go ahead and put some plastic or something down on this so I don't get too much overspray on it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep working, man. Keep hopping in and out with these updates. Alright, I've been cleaning up these spindles. Painted my engine mounts. Now all I gotta do with this is top coat the firewall, throw some clear coat on it. I still ain't made up my mind on what color I'm gonna paint that brake booster. Probably like an aluminum or some shit. I don't know, I might leave it black. But yeah, I'm about to finish cleaning up this one. Top coat all this shit. Figure out what's next. What the fuck, you two? The boy can't catch a break, man. Just lost another fucking canopy. And this bitch almost hit my Chevy. Damn, yo, I had to run out this jank, put my car cover down, Cover all my freshly painted shit. Look at this. Yo, I'm fucking soaked. Look at your boy. Like, what the fuck, bro? I got damn spindles and shit, man. Bitch is fucking soaked, man, but I hope that clear coat dried in time, but yeah, I don't have to dry them off, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.
Whatever you do, make sure you get the bag. Never ever chase a bitch. Bad bitch come with that. I ain't signed to the streets. Get the money, do the dash. I don't really like to brag, but I like to show my ass. I was born broke, nigga. Now nigga got a bag.